Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tone generator is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools for anyone working with audio, whether you're a professional musician, sound engineer, or just a hobbyist who enjoys tinkering with audio frequencies. This device allows you to generate precise tones, making it invaluable for testing equipment, calibrating speakers, creating musical soundscapes, and much more. It's a must-have for anyone serious about audio. Number 5. Extech TG20 Wire Tracer. This handy tool is a must-have for electricians and technicians. It simplifies wire tracing, continuity checks, and telephone line polarity testing. It measures a broad temperature spectrum, from 20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. This versatility makes it suitable for various applications. Its adjustable sensitivity setting ensures accurate wire identification and helps avoid false readings. This feature enhances precision and efficiency. Tracing wires from start to finish is made easy. It helps you quickly and accurately locate the source and termination points of wires. This tool provides reliable performance for various tasks. It's built to withstand the demands of professional use. It's more than just a wire tracer. It also checks continuity and tests telephone line polarity. This all-in-one design saves you time and money. What we like. This device precisely identifies wire pairs and checks continuity, eliminating guesswork. Its wide temperature range makes it suitable for various environments. If you work with wiring in diverse conditions, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Extech TG20 Wire Tracer and Tone Generator is an excellent tool for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. The device is easy to use and offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for tracing wires and identifying breaks or shorts. The built-in tone generator is a great feature that allows you to easily locate wires even in crowded or hard-to-reach areas. The ability to trace both shielded and unshielded wires is also a major plus, as it allows you to work on a variety of projects. The device is well built and feels durable in the hand. The LCD display is easy to read, and the buttons are intuitive and easy to use. The volume control is also a nice touch, allowing you to adjust the tone to suit your needs. Having black connected to a ground resulted in a very positive pickup of the signal over the whole length of the wire, a distance of about 80 feet. This was through wood and stucco. It was possible to identify the specific cable among several other cables. Number 4. Metronome Tuner 3-in-1. Introducing the first rechargeable Metronome Tuner. Enjoy extended use time without constantly replacing batteries. Charge it easily via USB. This pocket-sized device is a metronome, tuner, and tone generator all in one. It's perfect for a wide variety of instruments, from guitars to wind instruments. It offers fast and accurate tuning with a wide detection range and various tuning modes. No matter what you play, it's got you covered. With adjustable tempo, beats, rhythms, volume, and a headphone jack, it helps you improve your timing and practice comfortably. The large LCD color screen and LED indicator make it incredibly user-friendly, even in low-light conditions. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable battery and the versatility of a 3-in-1 device. Its wide-ranging tuner caters to various instruments. If you need a portable, all-in-one solution for multiple instruments, this is perfect for you. What people say. Very easy to use. Plenty of features. The readout is clear. The tuner is accurate. I like being able to just clip it onto the headstock and start tuning. The battery life is pretty long and it's nice that I can recharge it when it runs out without having to keep batteries on stock. I can even use it while it's charging. It is rechargeable. And works while recharging. It comes with an output speaker jack, and so can be extremely loud. User interface is excellent. Number 3. Tempo 701kg Wire Tracer Kit. It offers unmatched precision in tracing wires for voice, data, and video systems. This ensures flawless installations and repairs, every time. Its distinct warbling tones cut through background noise, making wire identification easy even in noisy environments. You'll enjoy crystal clear audibility for precise results. The LED proximity indicator illuminates brighter as you near the target wire, and the built-in work light helps you see in dimly lit areas. It's designed for efficiency. It comes with everything you need: a high-power tone generator, probe amplifier, various connectors, and a sturdy carrying case. It's ready to go right out of the box. This versatile tool empowers technicians to quickly and accurately identify wires in complex cabling systems. It's built to handle the demands of professional use. Tempo has been manufacturing innovative products since 1984. You can trust it for lasting quality and reliable results. The probe features a conductive tip, rotary gain control, a headset connection, a flashlight, and a powerful loudspeaker. It's packed with useful features. The generator includes strong alligator clips, multiple connector types, and durable cords. It's built to last and perform reliably. What we like. This professional-grade kit ensures flawless installations and repairs with its superior audible signals and unparalleled accuracy. The comprehensive kit is ideal for various applications. If you need a reliable and versatile tool for professional use, this is the best choice. What people say. This is a simple and proven product, and that is the reason I chose it among other brands. Just on my first use, I knew I made the right choice. Works perfect. Does exactly what I needed it for. No complaints so far. Always use Tempo. My 20-something-year-old one broke, bought this, which is exactly the same except for color. It does have an additional LED work light installed, which is a great idea. Number 2. Sondery MetroTune Tuner. It's a tuner, metronome, and tone generator, all in one compact device. This little device is perfect for musicians on the go. It quickly and accurately tunes chromatic, guitar, bass, and ukulele. You can even calibrate the pitch to your preference. The intuitive jog dial makes it simple to adjust tempo, pitch, and other settings. Navigation has never been easier. It features a wide tempo range, tap tempo functionality, and clear English vocal counting. Stay on beat with ease. It's rechargeable via USB-C, providing hours of use on a single charge. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. It boasts a vibrant color screen, multiple indicators, a built-in speaker, and even a folding stand. It's designed for optimal usability. What we like. This 3-in-1 device features an intuitive jog dial and vocal counting metronome for easy use. The device is perfect for those who prefer a user-friendly interface. If you value ease of use and clear guidance, this is the one for you. What people say. The tuner is easy to use and makes tuning for my violin easy and accurate. I bought it for the metronome but use the tuner as well. It works well and is easy to use. I like that the product lets you adjust and find every type of note you want, and it has a kickstand to make it easy to use, and the battery lasts a very long time. Number 1. NOYAFA NF805 Tester Kit. This versatile kit is your all-in-one solution for tracing cables and testing telephone lines. It simplifies complex tasks, saving you time and effort. It effortlessly detects the status of a telephone line, whether it's idle, ringing, or busy. It also performs polarity tests for comprehensive analysis. Choose between continuous tone mode and standard continuity mode for precise cable tracing. Remember not to connect it to active DC circuits over 48V. This kit efficiently tracks down network cables, even those with short circuits. It supports various cable types, including Cat3, telephone lines, and coaxial cables. It also checks the live power status of your telecom equipment and routers, providing a quick and safe way to assess functionality. With its comprehensive features and ease of use, it's the perfect tool for electricians, technicians, and anyone working with cables and telephone lines. What we like. This tool efficiently detects the status of telephone lines and tracks network cables. Its dual continuity test modes offer flexibility. If you need a reliable tool for testing telephone and network lines, this is your solution. What people say. The build quality and design seem pretty durable, and like this tool will be able to survive bouncing around in a tool bag and traveling from site to site. The audio tone is plenty loud enough to be heard in a noisy data room. This low-cost tone generator with a phone line lead worked perfectly for my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.